Hello friends, here I am going to discuss few very important information with regards to conservation of biodiversity with the use of artificial intelligence. So let's move and look at here few very important points with regard to conservation of our biodiversity. As per latest report by end of 2020, the population of wild animals living on Earth is expected to fall by two-thirds. Few folk don't care about animals and don't know these natural habitat affect the life of other living beings on this planet. So here I'm going to thanks the advanced technology which are becoming very important in conservation of biodiversity. The example here are artificial intelligence, machine learning, which are very in supporting at a very high level for in conservation of our biodiversity. Important points here, look at most importantly AI can help in preventing extinction of endangered plant and animal, and if such animal are kept under observation or tracked by forest rangers, they can be saved from natural disasters such as fire in forest, flood, and illegal activities like poaching. And to conserve wild animals, AI-enabled devices, application, and analysis or monitoring system is used to keep their trace record and understand the behavior of animals for right prediction. Okay. Similarly, computer vision technology in AI-enabled drones can detect the type and species of animal, inform researchers about their activities. Machine learning algorithm developed with a wide-ranging huge quality and also help in recognizing different species of animal. And the problem here is intensely killing the animal in another and illicit activity, reducing the population of endangered species. Poachers kill animals like elephant for their precious tusk and dinosaurs for their horns that are sold at very high rates in international market. But now AI can help in controlling such unlawful action through a human-less monitoring system. Human-less monitoring system. People enjoying beachside but litter waste material near the bank of ocean, which another risk for various species living or completely dependent on marine life. But now thanks to AI algorithm, model can easily identify and remove plastic from natural environment before they harm wildlife. And to annotate image online can make such animal recognizable to machine, example drone, and provide the information to forest rangers. Use the right image and annotation technique for animal detection with best level of accuracy. If AI can be fully and efficiently deployed into animal conservation, it can help in saving the biodiversity of Earth, and it is only possible when AI models are trained with the right machine learning database. And to develop such fully functional model, AI companies need high quality animal detection data set for machine learning training to identify animal and objects with the right precision.